and a Bing, and Google takes us live. It is the Kent Beck Scrum, and we have Ryder, and Nico, and Sam. And here we are. And what has been happening? I have just been working on invoicing and contracting. We've got kind of a proposed schedule from the French company for the MyNote boats, and I've sort of pointed them to our pivotal tracker, which I've kind of updated, and I've sent them, different timelines. I think, we need to nail down exactly what they want to build, because I don't think we can afford to build everything that they want. But anyway, that's good to get that. That was like on my mind to get that done. Got another one. Actually, I might be starting from even as early as next week. A big load of Electron JavaScript programming for a translation system in a private contract. We'll see. What else is happening? We had the deep learning mob, which was good fun, and we made progress. And then I tried to work on the neural network over lunch, and it didn't work. So anyway, at least I got started on it. Coming up, we have the local support meeting, and I'm thinking about that. That's about it for today. I'm still massively behind on pull requests, but there we go. Ryder, how are things for you?
Things are good. I'm still actively looking for work. It's nice to have a job, like a good, secure job while I'm doing that. This is maybe one of the first times in my professional career where I'm looking for a job proactively and actually things are fine. So it is important, because I am a person who easily gets complacent, to keep the focus on the fact that, it's not a fit. I'm sure there's a better fit out there, and just keep driving at that. And also having confidence, having confidence in the search is, it's a challenge. I don't know if either of you can relate to that, but
it is important to have it at the time when you have the interview.
Yes. Well, so I spoke. Go ahead.
I was going to say, I think the job search is a kind of, it grinds you down. You have to be kind of keeping on going out there and putting yourself out and say, yes, I can do this. And it's a kind of like, it takes a lot of energy, and you kind of, you get knocked back by it in a way that you don't in quite the same way in a normal job. So I think it's very draining, and you staying positive.
I actually thank you for that exact analogy, Sam, because that is how I constantly feel at work. So no matter how bad the job search could be, I can't actually imagine that feeling of being ground down as being worse than at work. And that's not because they're bad or I'm bad. It's a fit issue.
Right.
And so thanks for that, a bundle. That's my main focus. And I attended the deep learning mob this morning. Had no idea what anyone was talking about. It was awesome. I loved it.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Anything blocking you technically at the moment, Ryder?
No, I don't think so.
Nope. Cool. All right. Good stuff. Nico, how are things going with you?
I did a deploy from develop to staging, and from staging to production for Harrow community. So we are with the latest version on production. And before that, I read a little bit about the website one links that you told me to read, but I haven't tried. It's like I was burned out, so
sure,
I just left that and I keep working with other things. And I think that while testing, maybe we want to create an issue for the email that I sent, that it was on station when I was testing manually that everything was working. So yeah. And the only blocker that I have is the one with Jasmine on website one. Right. After that, it's everything working fine.
Okay, good stuff. And you did a deploy from develop to staging on website one?
Yes,
and
I did.
Did you also go on?
I didn't do the deploy to production.
Okay, we're waiting
because I wanted to know if you maybe wanted to roll back that, or but I tested manually and everything was working.
Okay, yeah, no, I think if it manually seems fine on staging, then I think we should get it out there.
Okay, cool.
There's like one sanity check that I would just do, which is always the one that is like the most sensitive piece in the checking that. Yeah, it looks fine. Looks fine. Yeah, let's get that live.
Okay, cool.
All right.
I will do now.
Okay. Well, I think that's our Scrum then. Is there? I don't know if there's anything else we need to work out. Perhaps we will call it early. Anything else on anybody's minds?
I want to come back to the moms.
Cool. Yeah. Well, so tomorrow.
Yeah,
so we're pairing tomorrow, aren't we, Ryder? On
yes, we are.
And I've switched around, so the Paranauts is at the later time, and so there is
7:45 my time, 12:45. Yeah.
Right. And I'll be. I mean, I don't know if anybody will turn up. I've got locked in to do a React mob where I might spend some time on the My Notebook boat stuff. But so that's that. But yes, and then so in principle next Monday we'll do an Elixir mobbing session where perhaps Ben can join us and we can do more Paranaut stuff. So
wonderful.
Good stuff.
Perfect. Yeah, that's awesome.
I just tried to push to master, but I don't have the permissions. I have the permissions on the staging.
That's interesting.
Yep. Another thing, I applied to other shops that were in the shops channel, and tomorrow I have an interview. So let's see how it goes.
Excellent, excellent. No, that's very interesting. Well, that's like a little block there because I thought that I've added you explicitly to have like permissions on the website one repo. Do you want to just share your screen and show me this failure to
sure.
the master there? That's
here.
But so I think the problem is not that you haven't got permission to push to it. I think it's possibly that this is like required status check semaphore CI is failing. So this can happen when you not when you but when
right.
If the build has failed on staging, then it can prevent the thing moving out. So the thing might be to do to check semaphore CI.
I thought I have it here. Okay. Just trying this plugin that suspends all your.
So that's
let's see why.
So maybe it just
I thought
staging there. So I think maybe you just need to the thing there also is if that staging has failed, maybe it hasn't deployed, and so the manual
and the things that I manually tested, it was for the things that so I will do everything.
So probably you need to rerun that, and then we rerun the test, and then okay, cool.
Okay.
All right, glad we've got that
nice. Yes.
Sorted out. I'm gonna go make a cup of tea, and then it's gonna be the local support meeting. Maybe see some of you there. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Bye. See you.
Cheers.